How to order from DHGate. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the DHGate application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and simply log in or sign up to your DHGate account. So once you are signed into your account, simply tap on the search icon and then search for the product you would like to order. Let's say I'd like to product this one. So go ahead and tap onto it, then tap on add to cart. Just like so, select your order and then your quantity, then tap on get coupon and continue. Now once it has been added to your cart, go ahead and tap onto it and just like so tap on buy now. Now go ahead and tap onto it again. And then you'll be able to find this kind of interface. Inside this section, you want to go ahead and simply provide your personal details and your country address. And once it is done, simply tap on save address, and once you have saved your address, you want to go ahead and simply follow your prompt. And just like that, once you have added your payment method, you will then be able to order from DHGate. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.